Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Bosan Syari. My matric number is CF180068, and today I want to present our project IDP Infrastructure Group 6 Section 5. And Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Prof. Nadia, IRTS Dr. Abdul Halim. Okay, this is my organization chart, and for the project manager is me, Muhammad Afiq bin Bosan Syari, and for our road and drainage engineer is Saiful Abra bin Jamaluddin, and for our structure engineer is Muhammad Furqan, and our design engineer is Muhammad Alfi, and lastly our geotechnical engineer is Nurul Hidayah. Okay, for our company vision, mission and objective. For our vision is company will continues to move forward in become a leading multiple discipline engineering company providing a project engineering, project management, engineering study and construction and maintenance work in Malaysia. And for our mission to deliver a quality service with a best quality people to all our client. And our objective is all work handled by the company should be complete on schedule, and all project within the economic range and top quality we are proposed to our client. For our project background is we are proposed construction of 6-story dormitory with one unit on lot Darul Ulum, Tertib Terengganu. And for dormitory building project of 6-story apartment at Lot Tertib Terengganu. And this building consists of ground floor, open space and mosque. First and second floor dormitory and toilet and pantry. And for third floor, classroom and toilet. For the fourth floor, open space and utility. For fifth floor, rooftop, and sixth floor, water tank for this building.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Saiful Abra bin Jamaluddin. My matric number is CF180118. So, I will continue the presentation of infrastructure. So, next is this is the drawing of 3D drawing that our building that been generated by the team. And next is the architectural drawing that have been drawn. This is the plan view, side view and front view elevation. So next, I will present to you the infrastructure part. The first part of the infrastructure work is the earthwork, and then this is the layout plan of the earthwork. So there is the contour line, the existing level. The existing level is 42, 43 and 44. So the proposed level that has need to be done at the site area is 43.50. So in this layout plan of the earthwork also have the hoarding area, the stockpile area, the seal trap area, the drainage area and the wash bay area. So also this layout plan also have the entrance of the site area and the access road to enter the site area. So this is the design calculation of cut and fill for the site area. So we need to use the Excel and fill the existing level of the site area, and the value of the cut and the value of the fill will be determined. So the total area of this site area is 65 acre, and the total cut for this area is 434.06 meter cubic, and the total fill for this area is 2334.31 meter cubic. So from this value we need to import the soil from the other side to fill in this site area. So the volume for the fill area is 1900 and 87.86 meter cubic area. This is the layout plan for the cross-sectional area for this cut and fill. This cross-sectional area is for to determine and to look the detailing of the cut and fill area. There has two area horizontal and two area vertical for this cut and fill area. So this is the value. So this is the diagram of the cut and fill area that from the cross section that has been made from the layout plan. This is the layout plan for AA, and for the B, and then this is the cross section for the 1 and cross section 2.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurida Ahmad. I will present about drainage. This is pre-com drawing for block E, and the RL building is 43.5, and for the existing road is 44.2, and for the new road is 44. The drain design is sub area for drain section 1 to 2 is 552. And section 4 2 to 3 is 1010. Section 3 to 4 is 900. And section 4 1 to 5 is 696. This is drawing layout plan for drainage. This is the zoom in version, which has 5 sections. This is covered A detailing. This is drawing for some detailing. And this is view drain detailing, which is the width of drain is 600 millimeter and the size of drain is 300 millimeter. And the drain depth is 0.45 meter. This is the BQ, which total up to 137,450 ringgit. That's all.
Today I want to present about our sewerage report on our infrastructure in for the dormitory 6 story, and for our population equivalent we get 153 PE for school education with fully residential, and for day school for our staff, gardener, and other. Okay, for this building, there's a self-cleaning minimum velocity that allow by the maximum velocity if 0.45 meter per second until 4.0 meter per second, and this we using for the average flow rate 225 liter capital per day. Okay, for our type of pipe, we are using VCP verified clay pipe 225 mm diameter that have been approved by IWK. Okay, for the sewerage system, we need to design from our building until the existing manhole, and from the existing manhole, we going forward to the STP. Okay, for my building in block E, I already designed for manhole 1 at type A1, A-1 for their GL is 43.5 meter, IL 42.3 meter, and for the depth 1.2 meter. Okay, from manhole 1 to manhole 2, if using type A-1 for the GL 43.4 meter, IL 41.4 meter, and for the depth is 1.8 meter. From manhole 2 to manhole 3, they are going for same type A-1 with the proposed level is 43.4 meter, IL is 41.3 meter, and for the depth for the manhole is 2 meter. From manhole 3 to manhole existing manhole 24 is using type of A-1 so, and for GL 43.2 meter, IL 39.2 meter, and for the depth is 4 meter. As we can see on our layout drawing, this is our layout drawing, and the border of hoarding red line our construction area, and for the using the blue line, that was for future city planning, and for the red one is for manhole.
Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Furqan. I'll be presenting the road design report. Our project background dalam construction is constructing of new traditional residential college block of 4-story residential building for Kementerian Pelajaran Malaysia, which is the standards of guideline of ATJ for this project. Certain signage that there will be in our AutoCAD is the stop signage, the two-way signage, and the only this way signage. This project is under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Transport and Highway of Malaysia, JKR Arahan Teknik Jalan 5/85 design method to be used in the calculation. This is the design standards and construction layer thickness. Total pavement thickness is 45 cm. This is the BQ for road construction, and total for this one is 2,980 plus 65,676. Next is our plan layout for our road. The small one, the dot here are the signage, road marking. Road is 6.1 meter wide road. This is a typical cross section, and this is the signage. Thank you, that's all.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Alfi bin Mahran. My matric number is CF1800T7. So today I would like to present about our project for water supply. First of all, detailed design submission, that is design criteria. Our minimum pipe size is 150 mm. Pipe material type VCP approved by IWK, and our peak flow is 2.5 times average flow. Average of flow rate is 225 liter capita per day, and flow for fire one stream at 300 IGPM. So first we have to calculate hydraulic and network analysis. For case 1 is peak flow, for case 2 is hydron flow. And next we have to find computation of residual head. So for pricing and demand, we refer to Suruhanjaya Perkhidmatan Air Negara SPAN that show in Appendix A. And second is daily water demand based on foregoing rates of consumption, that is computation of water demand. Our daily water demand is 1.66 liter per second, and for hydron flow is 11.33 liter per second. Next is total water demand, that is Q, equal to 12.99 liter per second. Peak flow equal to 4.15 liter per second. So next is to measure value of K for different fittings. We took the K value in the previous article. So next is for velocity of water supply is equal to 0.0938 meters square per cube, and friction factor pipe is RA equal to 14048, more than 200, flow is turbulent. Next is calculation head loss in pipeline. Pipe 1, not 1 to 2, length is 3 to 3.1 at 31 meter. Friction loss HF equal to 5.856 times 10 negative cube.